welcome back to my channel. Today I will be giving you a Rae Dunn haul. I haven't done one of these videos in such a long time because normally I either find one mug or two mugs, not enough for me to do a haul. So this time I actually hit the jackpot. So like most of you know, y'all know that I love my Rae Dunn. I love my Rae Dunn, but then I go through periods of time where I don't get anything new Rae Dunn because I'm not trying to spend all my coins and live in a poorhouse, okay? So the first thing I'm excited to find is this basket, this Easter basket. Last year, guys, I got nothing Rae Dunn. I was collecting Rae Dunn, but there was women that would go there before me and they would take everything and they would not share. So I didn't get any mugs. I couldn't get anything. But this year, I finally got a few things, so I'm satisfied. I don't need to get a whole lot. But I was so excited when my husband found me this Easter basket. I thought this is so cute. It's not that big, but I'm definitely filling it up with some moss and put some Easter eggs on here. So I can't wait to decorate. I have never decorated for Easter before, so I'm looking forward to doing that this year. And this Easter basket was $14.99. So I am on the hunt for the Queen Bee type mugs that they've been coming out. I have not been able to find a honey pot. I want one so bad, but I have not been able to find one. The one time I came close to finding one though, I walked right past it and the woman behind me took it. I know, so I was quite disappointed, but I was able to find this queen mug with a bee right here. I love it. Okay, it doesn't have any color in the inside, but I was happy to find that. And you know, all of their mugs are $5.99, so that's what this was. But I'm hoping I could find some more, not with the same words or anything on there, but more of the bee collection. So I also got the love mug. Last year the same thing happened with Valentine's Day. I could not get anything Valentine's Day. I didn't have any mugs until my friend Courtney, she gave me a hug mug recently when she came here for Thanksgiving. And that was my first Valentine's Day mug. But this year I've been getting lucky. I've been finding some mugs, and the rest of the mugs that I found are on my 3-tier tray. So if you have not watched my decorate with me for Valentine's Day for my 3-tier tray, I will be linking that video down in the description box. Okay, so the last mug for Valentine's Day that I found is the Ever After mug. I was happy to find this. I didn't have no light pink color mugs. So this is my first one actually, and I'm so excited about it. This one was the only one on the shelf, and my husband was the one who found this for me. And honestly, guys, my husband is the one who finds most of my mugs because when we go together, there's never anything there. But when my husband goes alone, he hits the jackpot. Not just that, but I don't know why. Y'all can comment down below. Tell me why this might be. When he goes alone, a lot of the women there are more willing to share with him. They see him and they see him Rae Dunn hunting for his wife. If for some reason they're like, here, do you want this? Do you have this one? Does she have this one? They're willing to share. But let me be up in there. Don't nobody in there share with me. Why is that? Okay, so now I'm going to show you my Easter and spring mugs. I'm looking for more spring mugs, so I'm not done Rae Dunn hunting yet. It's an addiction. I'm sorry. I remember when we first got a mug 2 years ago, or like a year and a half ago. I was like, oh, all I need is one mug. That's it. I'm not gonna like these crazy people out here. Yeah, right. So I'm going to show you my Easter and my spring mug. The first one I'm so excited about is the cute chick. And look. As you can see, like this color, I love this color a lot. So this is one of the first mugs. It's a $5.99. One of the first mugs that the ladies were willing to share. So, let me tell you guys, the addiction for Rae Dunn can be real. These women were literally opening up the boxes themselves because the store clerks were taking a little too long, okay? So they literally opened it up and were distributing Rae Dunn cups to people. So I got this one. We found the Bad Egg, Good Egg mug. I know they sell them separate where it says Good Egg and Bad Egg, the set, but this one is together, which I prefer. Because like it's not like I got a lot more space. I got too many mugs. This one is $5.99, but I love that it's reversible. We were able to find that. Oh, I gotta show you guys this. So I did see the Lucky Kiss Me I'm Irish mug set, but of course, since I'm not Irish, we didn't get that. But no one didn't say I couldn't get the Lucky mug. So this is my first Irish mug. I saw the 4-leaf clovers, and of course my hands weren't they weren't fast enough to get them. But I'm okay. It's okay. I found this one. Well, the hubby found this one with the green in the inside. So I'm so happy about that. And then we got the Hop to It mugs. So we got that with the pink in the inside. So I'm so happy. So I'm looking forward to doing like an Easter display. It's my first year decorating for Easter. So I can't wait for you guys to see those videos. I'm not going full blown like I do for Christmas, but I'm looking forward to that. It's my first time ever doing it, and I got my Rae Dunn to decorate with that. Also, I got the Cup of Sunshine. My husband was able to find this because when I went, they had the Cup of Sunshine, but one lady took them all. Like, some women are willing to share while others not so much. So he was able to find this for me, and this one is yellow in the inside. And then I have so this one is the Cup of Sunshine, and then this one is Create Your Own Sunshine. Okay, look at that. Yay, these two belong together. It could be spring or summer, right? So I know there's summer mugs out there. I've never seen one in the store. I'm looking forward to that. I hope to find like the sea, but mainly the mermaid mug out there. So hopefully, since I've been getting lucky this year, maybe I might be able to find some summer stuff. Also, I found, that was all the mugs, by the way, you guys. So my husband also got me this three little chicks. It's $7.99 for this. And this tumbler that I'm drinking water out of, I was able to get this as well, which I love. I always drink water. I drink about a gallon a day, which, you know what? I have to say that when I drink more water, when I slow down, I can tell a difference in my skin. But when I drink a lot of water, which I normally do anyway, this face is glowing, okay? And last but not least is this bunny Easter sign. That's Rae Dunn. How much is this? This is $9.99. I thought it would have been a lot more, but it has like a little burlap ribbon right here. So I'm definitely don't know where I'm gonna put him yet, but I have some ideas, and I can't wait to decorate for Easter. I'm looking forward to that. I'm looking forward to decorating for spring in general, because normally once Christmas is over, I don't decorate again, but I want to change some things up now. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already. Hopefully I can do another Rae Dunn haul. I know many people enjoy those kind of videos. It all depends on what I find, guys. I may get lucky, sometimes I may not, but maybe I could put something together with, if I find more stuff, I can make another video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already, and keep a lookout for my next videos, guys. Bye.